Want to know how to filter out your searches in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up agoda.com. So, which is your website. So just simply open up a web browser and type in agoda.com, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this screen or this interface right here. So you can just simply sort up any hotel rooms, apartments, and what's more. So once that is done, so right here you can see after your sort comes up here, you should be seeing the sorting options. So right here you can see sort by the basic ones right here, which is lowest price first, distance, top reviews, and much more. So as you scroll down, you can also see more filters like the budget or property types and much more. So you can also scroll all the way down and see much more locations and feasibilities right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.